Hey guys, I wanted to give you a follow-up on the mount for my tablet. I've got it fully installed now, and you can see what it looks like. You can see it's also nice and steady, and also too, because of that bar that I put in, I mean, this is not coming out. It's in there nice and steady. And I think I mentioned in the previous shot that these screws here do not go into metal. They're just through the plastic, mainly just to kind of stabilize things. And I would say, actually, if you did it directly in the plastic, you'd be fine. I still would have concerns though about this piece popping out on a trail, because this is going to vibrate quite a bit. But everything looks good. And let me see. I'll see if I can get this shot here of me putting it in. So got it in there now, and I've got the this is the Polaris Ride Command app. There's other UTV apps and ATV apps that you can use, but you can see it's actually in here pretty good. Now it does turn this way. I've got to look on the RAM website to see if there's an adjustment or some way to lock that down. If anyone knows, feel free to post it in the comments. But I think, I mean, overall, I mean, certainly it's going to vibrate, but overall it looks pretty good. Also, too, I do have right here dual USBs. This also, and I don't have my keys, but when the key's on, this also is a voltmeter as well. But this way I can plug in and put just a short little cable right here, and I actually do have some short cables, so we don't have a bunch of extra. And you can still throw stuff back here as well, and if you want to just toss it back there during the ride. But overall, that turned out well. I'm really pleased with the mount. I mean, RAM mounts have always been known as being really, really good quality, and I'm very, very pleased with getting that mounted. The next project that's coming up is I've been thinking about this morning. You see my dog there, is to mount the fire extinguisher. And what I'm actually thinking is I'm going to take some of the bar stock aluminum that I have that I actually use for the mount and build something up and mount it right here. So stay tuned on that. That's still kind of a developing idea, and we'll see what's going on. By the way, never ride with a gas can in your bed. The plastic on plastic will build up static electricity, and that's why you might need one of these. So just a little safety tip there. This is just sitting here to remind me to take it with me to the gas station to fill it up. Hey guys, I want to give an update on the fire extinguisher mount. So what I did was I took it's kind of hard to see there we go, a piece of just bar stock aluminum and just bend it into an S curve. Right now I've got I got a little bit of a run on it, but I'm not real concerned about it. This is not a showpiece. This is some self-etching primer, just a spray out of a spray can. And what I've done, or what I'm planning on doing, is my mounts back here, these come off. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole in the top, and it comes down, it'll loop, S-turn, and basically I'm just gonna mount it just like that. And for right now, I'm gonna try it with the mount that came with it. The only difference is I'm not gonna rely solely on this plastic clip to retain it. I'm going to also mount a secondary hook and loop Velcro strap down at the bottom as well. The other thing I'm going to do is to help prevent slippage, particularly on the bottom, is I'm going to use Plastidip on it to help secure it. So that's what I'm doing with this right here. I'll post another video once everything is finished up and show you what it looks like. We'll have to test it on the trail, see if it's going to hold. There are some other products on the market that I might eventually end up using, but I figured I'd give this a shot since I had the parts just laying around.